Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's family channel. Feel free guys to join the family by hitting that subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first to notify. So today guys, I will be doing some unboxing for the things I order in Shein. So all of this is one, this is two, three, four. These are the things I order from Shein. So I've already sanitized it. So I will be doing the unboxing. I need space here. Okay, I will be starting with this one. Okay. So one thing I love about Shein is this Ziploc bag. Now I really have a lot of it. It's very good when you are traveling to put like your sanitary pad, your tissue. Okay, this is a pant, trouser and top. Okay, look at the top. For me, this is for me. I really need to do this fast. Okay. Okay. This is a top. Also okay, this is a top. Take look at it guys. Yeah, this is for me guys. So it's very big and I love this that you have this color and the other side is black. So that is it. Another thing here. Okay. Okay, this is for the kids. Look at it, and this is the top that came with it. Okay. Okay, this is the other one because I love to order same thing for Bella and Olivia. This is the other one. No need to open it. Yeah, okay. This is just a plain top for Bobo. Yeah. Okay, this is another one, same top for Olivia. And this is a, yeah. Okay. This is for me. So I love the material. Oh my god, it's a little bit big. Okay. Okay. These are complete top and trouser suit. Yes, I think so. Yeah, look at it. Okay. These are for the kids. This is the other one. So no need to open it. I got a sweater. Yeah, look at it. It's on the big side, but I love it for that big. Okay, this is another sweater. Look at it. Yeah. This is for me. Carrot. Okay, these are trouser suits for the kids. I don't have to open it. And these are top. Yeah. These are top. So it's much. So the same thing. Okay. This is a jean trouser. Carrots. I love this thing. This is for more carrots. I don't just have to open it that much because I don't want the video to be too long. This is a top. This is a top for Bobo and a pound. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is a jeans trouser for me. Yeah. What's this? Okay. Okay, this is a top. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is what? Yeah, this is shorts. This one is for Daddy Bella. And okay, this is the top. This is the top. This is for Daddy Bella. And okay, this one is for me. The same top. And okay. This is t-shirt. This is for the Bella. Okay, same t-shirt for me. I have this one. Okay, this is for me. It's a t-shirt for me. It's a t-shirt. For Daddy Bella. Okay, this is a top, but it's very transparent. But no problem. Okay, here is this one. Okay, it's another polo t-shirt. Okay, this is for me. Yeah. Okay, this is same t-shirt for me and Daddy Bella. So guys, so that is it, guys. That is all I got from Shein. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.